We are pleased to show you 2021 2500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, daytime running lights, front suspension classification, solid live axle. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2-trip odometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.